Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me in this video. How are we all doing today? Yes guys, election is coming fast approaching in Nigeria 2023 general election. A lot is going on guys. Many people don't know what is happening. The issue of the herdsmen, the insecurity, and the campaign also is going on. P2B, the obedient groups, the Jagaban group, and the articulated. So different people with different interests. A lot is going on in this country. Guys, we don't know what is happening, especially in the southeast. A lot of kidnapping cases, a lot of crime, insecurity issues. People don't know who is who. We don't know what is going on. We don't know what tomorrow holds for us. Some of us that are not in Nigeria are confused. Those in Nigeria are crying. You cannot do anything. You cannot, uh, protect yourself. You cannot dictate what the future holds for every one of us. We all have family members back there. Okay guys, the video you're about to watch now is what happened in Enugu State. If you are familiar with Enugu State, you will know this place is a popular place. Yes guys, this video took place in Four Corner, where henchmen block the road and start kidnapping people, start taking people along with them. A lot of crime is going on. Many people are silent. People that are supposed to talk are not talking. People that are in power are not doing anything.
Yeah, but na Four Corner corner, man, na Four Corner. Anyị ncha niile ma ndị Shebo, ndị Enugu, ndị Abia State. Anyị ru Four Corner ebe na ndị Fulani herdsmen anọchigo ụzọ na. Ọsọ na-agba, ha na ndị amị na-agba face to face. Ha na ndị polisi agbagidego, ndị polisi agba ọsọ. Ndị amị ewerego moto ha ebe anụ abịa burukwe ndị otufa. Ndị otufa agwụgo here. Anyị nwa na paakị siri ebe anụ ma moto ndị nke kidnapụrụ ndị nwe ya nọ n'ime ya ha nche ine ka a na-ebufe. Obodo anụ abụ Naijiria enwere isi. Etiti division akwa obodo a ka ọ dị. Etiti division Enugu akwa na saịdị a ka ọ dị, ọrụ n'Enugu ebe a ka ọ dị na Four Corner. Ọ bụrụ ndị hip-hop na-anụ ọsọ ata. Ọ bụrụ ndị ESN aka gị gbasa ebe a niile. Ndị Fulani herdsmen na-anọ ebe anụnwa since ha ekwere mmadụ this week ka ọsọ na-agba. Since this week o mere nwanne nya mekwe tata. Since this week ka ọsọ na-agba na Four Corner Enugu steeti ebe a. O nwere efu ụzọ si ana na-eke pọmasị si na ebe a na-ata afọ na moto park siri park. Na na-agwa nwe na anyị ka bụ one Nigeria. Do we still belong in this country? Na-asị m na onweghị ihe n'ofuru ebe a. Sari na ọgago here. Ka ị ga-agwa m na gọvanọ adịrị awe. Mgbe a sị na-eji helikọpta ba drọpụ ndị mmadụ n'ime ọhịa. Akwa a na-ekwu ya ọga vera somsinashi na-eke ụmụ mmadụ na-ata afọ since morning na-eke ụmụ mmadụ wụsa n'ụzọ na-ata afọ. No road to go, ụzọ tọgburu chọko. Ndị amị na-ana ego ha dị anakwụzi. Ndị na-achụtụ mmadụ ha were okwu gafee ngwa na ha chụtụwe ka ebe ha nọ na ihe na-eme n'obodo a na gbata na ọsọ enyemaka Etiti division gbata na ọsọ enyemaka. Ndị si na unu bụ ndị Naijiria gbata na ọsọ enyemaka. Kedu ebe unu nọ? Kedu ndị si na ha bụ ndị otu Buhari? Kedu ebe unu nọ?
Okay guys, another one took place also in South. Just watch and see.
9. We're going to Calabar. Okay. That's what are the armed robbers? How many people? They are not armed robbers. They are herdsmen. They are not armed robbers. Okay. They are herdsmen. They are not armed robbers. They are herdsmen. They didn't come to rob us. They were just trying to drag us to the bush. Okay. They want to kidnap. They didn't ask for a gun or for any of our people. Okay. They wanted to kidnap us. They were with knives and guns. So as they took us, they were taking us to that direction.
Okay guys, in other news, the APC presidential candidate Bola Ahmed Tinubu is in the north doing what he knows how to do best. When we are telling you people that Nigeria is not for us, it's not for anybody, people think that you are trying to segregate, because a country like Nigeria, whereby people that are too older than the country itself, are fighting the youth, doing all manner of crimes to find their position in the power. just to be the president. Look at Bola Ahmed Tinubu at his age, with his health condition. You know, he's trying to become president. Hear what he said. He can't even remember the name of his party. Just watch.
God bless Nigeria. God bless BD. Jesus is Lord. APC. APC. It is what it is. It is what it is. God bless Nigeria. God bless BD. APC.
Okay, guys, for P2B, Nnamudi Kanu have something to say about P2B. Just hear this.
People don't know that P2B sleeps with other men. People don't know that. This is the criminal that stole money belonging to Anambra people to go and build a shopping mall in Abuja. P2B is today telling us that he is also commending the Nigerian army for keeping Nigeria as one. These are the people that will defend him when we come after him. This is the criminal that stole money belonging to Anambra people to go and build a shopping mall in Abuja. P2B, he is now hailing Nigerian army for keeping the country together, the people that killed his own people. When I tell you that P2B was bad, people thought I was okay. Have you now seen it? He's hailing them for killing his own people, keeping Nigeria as one. And these are so-called Igbo people. Igbo men. Maybe his Alhaji boyfriend has told him to do that. People don't know that P2B sleeps with other men. People don't know that. People don't know what we know. Only if you people knew what we know. This same P2B, with his Hausa male lovers, we know him very well. And when the time comes, we told him he will run. When we release the information we have on P2B, P2B will abandon Anambra forever and will never come back. We will tell him the name of his boyfriend and the hotel where they slept together. He doesn't know that we are Radio Biafra. Everything is documented.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. This is where we draw the curtain for today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please help me and share it. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.